The Offbeat movie sets out to explore themes such as live the moment and each person you meet has a power to change your life. Wardell begins with Prakash, an IT professional who is utterly bored with the monotony of life. As the film rolls, we come across the problems in Prakash's life. A girlfriend who can't stop nagging, an overbearing mother, an intimidating boss, and a sister who wants to elope and marry. The protagonist wants to escape these problems, but just like everyone, he is entangled in this web. One fine day at funeral, he comes across his distant cousin Yatrama and is instantly intrigued. Due to unforeseen circumstances, Yatrama and Prakash path come across again, and they go on a journey across the scenic town of Tamil Nadu with Yatrama's kid Yatra. Meeting new people and understanding their life stories help Prakash ease some of his internal burdens. He learns to relax and breathe a little.
Tania, Newelli, Yevera, la gente que conoces, Pardan Tamilar, Barvil Pasandikara Manushanga, Uvarkia Matra, Shakti Parachavanga.
On this same journey, Prakash meets Tania, a passport-forging, free-spirited Bolivian anthropologist who enlightened Prakash with tales of life. As a travel junkie who is always on the go, she tells him to live his life, travel, see the world and discover what is that drives him. What works best in Wardell is the first half, which start hilariously depicting the exaggerated reaction of the household for Prakash's sister love affair. Then it moves on to a funeral where he meets a key character Yatrama, and the screenplay takes flight at jet speed with elements of intrigue, suspense, betrayal and sensuality all working in tandem. The visual splendor takes hold of the viewer in the second half, and the scenic beauty of Papua New Guinea keeps one spellbound even though the screenplay flatters big time. Cinematographer Shelley Callist and editor Raymond Derrick weave a certain magic into each frame that shows nature at its best. The scenes of gushing water, mountain tops, sunrise and clouds are mesmerizing and will make you want to go on a vacation of your own. Directed Arun Prabhu's Wardell has a good story and its heart, but it somehow fails in execution. As the film progresses, you lose interest in characters somehow. You are unable to form a bond with Prakash because the film doesn't highlight his internal journey. But Yatrama's son Yatra is one character in the film that adds a comical twist to the tale. The way he reacts to the situation in his own quirky way and destroys everything he can hold on, that will leave you with a smile. Wardell has its moments when you are lost in nature and its beauty. If you are dreaming about what life could be, if you live with your world at this very moment to find yourself, you can watch Wardell to find an answer. Though it might not give you the answer you are looking for, but definitely it will connect with nature and urge you to set out for a trip. Movie is available on Sony Live app.
The message பண்றது கால் பண்றது love caring affection அவசியம் மாதிரியே கிடையாது. உட்ரு
பிரகாஷ் வாழதான புறந்து ரிஸ்க் எடுக்கலாம். நீ ஊர்ல சுத்த மாட்டே பிரகாஷ்?
சுத்துவாங்க.